if you strike out in your wardrobe, or maybe you don't have a penchant to be super creative with some of the clothes you have. In short, you need some more help. First off, go to a thrift store. Thrift stores are great. They can be a literal treasure trove of costume materials around Halloween. So go there first. And what are you looking for? Like in your wardrobe, form-fitting, sleeker, black, dark grays, those type of shades. The thrift store may also carry some Halloween costumes. Oftentimes this has come into fashion the last couple years for even thrift stores to have a nice selection of Halloween costumes or clothing that they have looked through and thought would be particularly appropriate for Halloween costumes. So that's a great place to kind of be your fallback in case you don't have anything in your wardrobe you think you could make into kind of more like a fur coat for a cat. Now, if that doesn't work, then you can break down and go to your costume stores or even your convenience stores, which will have Halloween stuff. I save these kind of as a last resort because they tend to be the most expensive, but a lot of them will have costume packages, which will have several of the items that you're going to need for a cat costume, which we'll cover in the next steps.